In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Sheets with your online forms. This process enables you to automatically transfer responses from your forms directly into a Google Sheet, making data management and analysis a breeze. Let's dive in and look at how you can do this efficiently. First, you'll want to open the form settings of the specific form you wish to integrate. Whether you're collecting survey responses, event registrations, or any other kind of data, having a streamlined process to keep this information organized is crucial. So once you're in the form builder or wherever your form settings are located, look for the button or tab marked Settings. Depending on the tool you're using, this might be located in a menu on the right or left side of the screen, but it will often be quite prominently displayed. Click on it to get started. After accessing the form settings, the next step is to click on Integrations. Integrations are a fantastic way to enhance the functionality of your forms by connecting them with other applications, such as Google Sheets, which we're focusing on today. Within the integrations section, you'll typically find a list or a suite of potential apps and services your form can connect with. In this case, we are interested in Google Sheets, so go ahead and select that option. Now, to make the magic happen, you need to log into your Google account and authorize the connection. This step is crucial because it establishes the link between your form and Google Sheets, allowing data to flow smoothly from one to the other. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. Ensure that you use the account associated with the Google Sheets where you want your data to land. After entering your credentials, it's important to read through any permissions that the integration requires. You might be asked to give the form building application access to your Google Drive or Sheets. This is standard procedure, as it needs permission to create and update the sheets for you. Now comes the exciting part, mapping the fields from your form to your sheet. Field mapping is where you decide exactly how each piece of form data corresponds to your columns in Google Sheets. Typically, you'll be given a list of the form fields alongside the columns of your sheet. All you need to do is match them up carefully. Pay close attention here. You want to ensure that each piece of information is directed to the right column. Double check your mappings to avoid any mix-ups later on. Once you're satisfied with how everything aligns, go ahead and save your settings. Saving confirms and activates the integration, and from this point forward, any submissions made on your form will automatically be captured in your designated Google Sheet. And there you have it. Your form responses will now be neatly organized in Google Sheets, ready for you to review, analyze, or share. This neat integration saves you time and minimizes the potential for errors that can occur with manual data entry. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this integration as useful as I do.